Hi everyone, welcome to Diana's Table. Today I'm going to be making grilled salmon with multigrain rice. This is my take on the very popular salmon poke bowl. And I'm going to add some Korean pickles and hot spicy seasoning to make it nice and crunchy and also spicy. So let's get started. First, score the salmon fillet into large diamond shapes. I use a shallow dish to prevent the knife from cutting all the way through. Pre-season with some salt, freshly ground pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. I usually use kosher salt to season salmon. Spread the seasoning into each cross section to make sure that it is evenly spread. You almost have to massage the seasoning into the fish. Now add some ginger soy sauce. This is the same sauce that I use to make fried chicken wings. Please refer to my previous video for a detailed recipe. Prep all the vegetables. I peel and cut the asparagus into 3 centimeters in length. Slice and cut sesame leaves and cucumbers as well as yellow paprika. I chop the cilantro leaves and set them aside with all the vegetables. Horseradish and sriracha sauce will add extra kick to the chili mayo sauce. But depending on your personal preference, you can adjust the amount of the spicy ingredients. It's important to mix well and set aside for 30 minutes before serving. In a heated pan, add butter and sauté the asparagus. As it turns color, season it with salt and pepper. Drizzle lemon juice and stir until all the liquid has evaporated and your asparagus is ready. In the same pan, you can cook the salmon fillet. Add some butter and start with the skin side down. Cook about 2 minutes on each side. And when they are almost cooked, drizzle lemon juice and more ginger soy sauce. In order to make sure that salmon soaks up all the seasoning, it is important to baste frequently into every nook and cranny. And salmon looks wonderful. It has that shiny glaze. Now you're ready to build your salmon bowl. Start with some multigrain rice. And I like to have the rice cool in order to prevent the vegetables from wilting quickly. Then layer in all the fresh ingredients like sesame leaves, cucumbers, and paprika. Then add the asparagus tips with a generous amount of salmon chunks. I think that it's really important to have enough salmon with every bite. Chopped cilantro and pickled onions provide another level of taste and texture. I also like my rice bowl with a big serving of chili mayo sauce to provide that extra heat. Adding a fried egg is optional, but I always think that it adds a special touch to the meal. I don't know, but there's something special when you spoon into the fried egg and taste this nutty, creamy yolk. Hope you will enjoy this healthy but delicious salmon bowl today. So let me try the salmon bowl that we made today. I think it has a perfect combination of the grilled salmon taste with all the fresh vegetables and the pickled vegetables. And I am sure that it will help you to get energized to start the day. So happy cooking and happy eating.